What you gonna do with me? Popo, yeah, Popo, yeah, Popo, yeah, Popo, yeah. A few moments later.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Angie. I am back with another video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button by turning that notification by hitting that bell. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please give a big thumbs up. Lego. Today, my son about to put a puzzle together. It's called Melissa and Doug, the Jigsaw puzzle, the African plane, the 24-piece puzzle. My son will be doing this today, you guys. The link is down the section down below. Okay, he about to take this paper off. Okay, help me take the paper off. Okay, it looks just like this the puzzle. It's called a Jigsaw puzzle, the African plane puzzles, 24 pieces by Melissa and Doug. The link is down the description down below, you guys. If you want to look for puzzles for your children, you can find those. The link is down the description down below. Okay. Okay. The puzzles are made out of wood, you guys. They look just like these. The puzzles are made out of wood. Okay, you ready, Darius? Put these puzzles together? Just give me a sec. He will put these together, you guys. My son was diagnosed with autism. He's nonverbal. And he about to put these puzzles together for you guys. I'm going to take these apart. And you can put them together, okay? Just take your time and stuff. And put these together. Okay, you ready? Okay. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Take your time. Take your time and put them together. Go ahead. Take your time. Okay. Keep it just like that. Keep it, yeah. These are called Jigsaw puzzles. You can find them at the link is I will leave the link is down we'll leave the link down so you guys can purchase these for your children. Good job, buddy. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. That's wonderful. Perfect, perfect. Okay, slide up on top. Yeah, that's good. You hold it up for the. Okay, you want to hold it up for everybody to see. Hold it up for everybody to see it. Perfect, perfect. Hold it up. Turn it so they can see it. Hold it just like that. Pick it up there. Pick it up. Hold just like that. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.